Hi everybody, hello everyone. Have a nice time today, all day, full day. Everyone too. So, I want to pick today this log and uh, two words about this log and this platform. I think every picker know this platform. It's pins not 90 degrees. Little corner have first, second, third, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. 9 pins have this lock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 sliders, and for me, this platform have very many brands, but all what I picked in my life, this brand quality like this lock not was it's best from all. So it's Magnum lock, for example, superior, something like that, and it's Magnum K. Magnum K have 7 pins, 4 sliders, I think, but sliders not, and it's enter to this lock, and in Sherlock enter to Magnum. Not everything, good, and Magnum too. So it's very no, it's one profile. So what it's have do diametral pins here. K pins have 2 mushrooms, 9 pin and first pin, and what more? That's all. And this very best quality from all what I pick from all from this platform. And special thanks for one of subscribers for this tool. It's his work, and this is tool for one side and two side, left right together, and I made just handle like always with thermo. I don't remember how to say. I don't know how to say it in English. And that's all. And 4 sliders here. So special thanks for this tool. Very nice tool. Very good tool. And I test his tool on all locks where it's can to pick. I feel I found it. I feel something I need more, and I not feel nothing. One pin I ask, I not feel. And we open him. It's very maybe 2 clicks I need, but I need to found. I think it's out. Maybe one pin is out. Nice, and good. First, second, third, fourth, 5, 6. This pin not want to enter in the place because corner. Yes. No. Nice, and it's out. Why? Nice, nice, nice. First, second, third, 4. First, second, third, 4, 5. Nice, 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 good. First, second, third. Good. Good. Excellent. I think we pick him. Many times it's take. I don't know. I take, but I'm not sure if it's not open. We take now attention from sliders to pins. What maybe we need to work, but it's not good tool for this moment. First, second, nice, third, it's open. I know it's open. And so we open him. I don't want to close him because driver pins we see here mushrooms. First, second, and I don't remember this side. Maybe something little was. No, mushrooms not have this side. So it's picked, and that's all. And thank you for watching. I can to pick this lock. For example, what different first, second, third, fourth, five, not five, sorry, not five, and first not interactive, it's mushroom. That's all. And sliders not work. No. And he in the no in the lock. But I don't know why it's not first, not second, not third when sliders not work in Magnum lock, SL lock, and more. I don't remember every brand. So thank you very much for